Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you if you are upgrading HUMMER or any car to LED light, headlight, fog light, brake light, worst light or signal light. What happens? They flash real fast. We call hyper flash. Some cars, if you upgrade the bulbs to LED lights, you won't see the difference, except the lighting will get brighter and you will like it and you will love the LED. Now the cars have this computer system which senses, and if they see any mismatch, they hyper flash. Today I'm going to share with you HUMMER H2. It's a year model 2008 and I changed the signal light. And I'll show it to you. They flash real fast. Once you're inside the HUMMER, you will hear it, a loud noise. And also it will happen the same thing in the front, even though they did not change the bulb in the front. So how we can fix it? It's very easy to fix it. You need 6 ohm resistor which you need to add in. That will prevent the hyper flashing. I'm going to show you how it's easy to do it, and let's get started. I started the signal on the left side, and if I turn the right side, it will be the same thing. So as you can see, the right side, the signal is flashing real fast. This is how the close-up looks, and if we look inside the HUMMER, it's flashing real fast, and also you can hear it loud noise. And the same thing in the front. I'm going to use these 6 ohm and these are 50 watt resistors. I will list the part number under my description, so please check it out. Solder these resistors onto the wire, or you can use these T-taps. Depending on your wire gauge, you can use any kind of those T-taps. We're going to install the resistor and I will show you how it's easy and simple with H2 HUMMER. I have taken out the light, the signal light. This is the signal bulb, which is LED. If I turn it on, it's a hyper flash. At the resistor, it will eliminate the error. H2 HUMMER is very simple. On the signal light, there are 2 wiring. You connect the resistor to one black wire and the other wire. If you have 3 wires, then you need to find out which one is the ground and which one is your main wire. Then you need to add the resistor into that wire. You can check with the voltmeter and you can find out which wire you needed. But in the HUMMER, it's very easy and simple. And as for the resistor, I put the screw on metal body and I'm going to place another screw on the top. It's a good idea that you make a hole, then you add the screw. If you put resistor on the back side, just right in there, so what's going to happen when we're going to put the light, there are chances the assembly will touch it. If the resistor get hard, then it can melt the assembly. So the best way to do it, put it on the side, there is enough room. Then we're going to add small screws like a 1 or 2 threads, so which holds onto the body. You don't want to put the screw or resistor on this side, then the screw will come out. If you have a drill, then it's very easy to work with, and I'm going to make a hole. If you look at the resistor right here, and that's the hole I made it. So I'm going to put a small screw, so it's going to hold it in this place. And I put the screw, one on this side and one on that side. This is very solid. It's not going to move. And now we're going to attach T-tap on these wires. The T-tap, the wire going to stay on the first one, and the second side of the wire, and on a resistor, I'm just going to cut it off. If you're soldering, then it's good. But if you're using T-taps, then you really don't need these. So we're going to cut it off. One wire is straight like this, and the other wire we're going to put it in all the way. Then we're going to press it with the plier from the top. Just like this. And it's very solid. And now we can close this T-tap. So the connection is made on one wire. And the other wire, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the T-tap connector. The other end of the resistor, we're going to put it in all the way like this. Then from the top, we're going to press it. Make sure that you press it all the way down so it's securely connected. We can, before I place the LED back, I'll turn it on. Now there is no more hyper flash. It's flashing real nice. Light back into the cavity, tighten it. We're going to put it back. If the resistor is securely placed on the back, and we're going to place the light back in. Adding the resistor, if you look at the signal is flashing normal, no more hyper flash. And if I show it to you on the right signal, which I haven't put the resistor, and it's hyper flash. After replacing the LED bulb, your signal lights or brake lights or LED lights, fog light, they are flashing real fast. I have a posted video from Mercedes, how to eliminate the error on your dash screen. Please check it out, that video. If you like this video, please like, share in my channel. For more Hummer videos, please click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I do the new upload. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. So after adding the resistor on the right side, this is how the signal light looks. And I will show you on this side as well. The left side working okay, and the right side.